Good morning, student. Today I am explain about the radioactivity. Next chapter it is. So what is meant by the radioactivity? The nuclei of naturally occurring heavy elements like uranium, thorium, radium and polonium are unstable and keep on emitting spontaneously invisible rays or radiations, that is alpha, beta, gamma rays, and give more stable elements. Radioactivity. These heavy elements are called radioactive elements. The property of emitting these rays is called radioactivity. So which property? So the heavy element must be spontaneously emits certain radiations like alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, that property of emitting these rays is called the radioactive elements, and the phenomena is called as radioactivity. It is the nucleus of an atom, an element which spontaneously disintegration to emit alpha, beta and gamma rays. Already we know the rays emitted by radioactive element are called as the radioactive rays. Now then the radioactivity is defined as the phenomena in which the nucleus of the atom of an element undergoes spontaneous and uncontrollable disintegration, or it is called also decay, and it emits alpha, beta or gamma radiations, is called as the radioactivity. Once again, the radioactivity is also known as, it is the process of spontaneous disintegration of the nuclei of heavy elements which the emission of certain types of radiations. Okay, the emitted alpha, beta or gamma rays from unstable nuclei are collectively called ionization radiations. Depending on how the nucleus loses this excess energy, either the lower energy atom of the same form will result, or a completely different nucleus and atom can be formed. What is meant by the ionization? Ionization is the addition or removal of an electron to create an ion. So now what is meant by the ionization radiation? It is any type of particle, that is you can take alpha or beta or electromagnetic wave, that is rays gamma, that carries enough energy to ionize or remove electrons from an atom. These radiations are of such high energy that when they interact with materials, they can remove electrons from the atoms in material. This effect is the reason why ionizing radiation is hazardous to health. So there are the two types of the radioactivity. One is natural radioactivity and another one is artificial radioactivity. Now first we know about what is the natural radioactivity. It is the process of spontaneous, that is without external means, by itself disintegration of the nuclei of heavy elements with the emission of radiation. These are unstable nuclei found in nature. So the element whose nuclei spontaneous disintegration is called radioactive element. So for that the example must be given in the three equation. So here you are taken uranium 23892, it is disintegrate, what happens? So thorium plus the helium nucleus must be, it is emitted. Once again the thorium must be, it is disintegrate, what happens? Palladium and some electron must be emitted. So radium must be disintegrated, you got thorium plus helium nucleus. All heavy elements above Z is equal to 82 show the phenomena of radioactivity. The emission of radiation changes the structure of the nucleus and transforms the atom into a higher atom. natural radioactivity have heavy element are unstable, therefore they disintegrate to acquire a more stable state. Since radioactivity is practically unaffected by temperature, pressure and other conditions, we conclude that it is a nuclear property. Therefore, alpha, beta particles and gamma rays are emitted from the nucleus. It may be noted that electrons revolving around the nucleus are not responsible for radioactivity. So then we come to the artificial radioactivity. It is a process in which a stable nucleus is changed into an unstable nucleus by bombarding it with appropriate atomic projectiles like alpha, neutron, proton. So for example, for the artificial radioactivity, so here these are the equations must be given. So here that is material is there, Al 2713 plus helium must be nucleus, then you got the P 3015 plus 1 neutron must be emitted. Another two example for the artificial radioactivity. Thank you.